Union Minister of Urban Development Venkaiah Naidu today said that the Narendra Modi-led NDA government is committed for an inclusive and substantial development in the country through GIS-based urban regional planning and an efficient infrastructure development. The minister said that as the BJP had promised in its pre-poll campaign for Ek Bharat Shresth Bharat, the NDA government is determined to meet the challenges of urbanization in the country. He said that the government is committed to convert the two major challenges, urban governance and housing for all, into opportunities.
Today we have two issues before us. Both are challenges. They can be converted to an opportunity. One is urban governance. Second is housing for all. Both are very important. हमने एक वादा किया है वो एक भारत श्रेष्ठ भारत. We should all feel proud of our country. Simply feeling proud by the geographical boundaries is not going to help us unless you better the living condition of the people, make them happy, make them also feel that they are part of the developmental process and they are also able to enjoy equally the fruits of development in the country.
Venkaiah Naidu said that the government is keen to provide quality life to its citizens through an inclusive and substantial development.
So we are here to ensure quality life to the urban population because that's our mandate. We are here to ensure quality life. To fulfill the dreams of the countrymen, we pledge inclusive and substantial development.
The minister further said that through a proper GIS-based urban regional planning, the government will bridge the gap between urban and rural areas of the country. He said that the satellite-based imaginary mapping is must for every city.
GIS-based regional urban planning. It's not simply planning for the city alone, but the periphery also. Planning. Two, in that prepare, review, master plan for all cities. Satellite imaginary-based mapping for each city is the need of the hour. Efficient infrastructure development, roads, flyovers and effective urban public transport is again another important aspect. The third one is solid waste management, sewerage, drainage, sewerage. This is one aspect which has missed our planners all these years. And today it has become a major challenge. We must address it now.
Naidu stressed the need for solid waste management and proper drainage and sewage system in urban areas. He said waste management is a huge challenge for the government, but added that the government is keen to convert waste into wealth, which will further create green and clean cities in the country.
Fourth, aim at zero landfill for waste. Save precious land and environment. Solid waste management is again a big challenge, and there are opportunities in that also. Waste to wealth. Conversion of green waste to manure, construction waste to bricks and sand. This is also another idea for consideration. Then clean and green cities, making our cities clean and green. This is also an important aspect. Efficient use of energy, including solar energy.
Powered by NNIS.